If you have been looking for school phone ban results, here they are. A nationwide study of lockable phone pouches has just been published, and it is American. United States schools, United States data. We sell these pouches, and it does not say what you might expect us to tell you it says. It says the first year is hard, and we would rather you heard that from us. 6 researchers looked at schools right across the United States, using GPS pings, teacher reports, standardised test scores and school records. On the first question, the answer is clear. Pouches cut phone use. Teachers reported the share of students using a phone in class for personal reasons falling from 61% to 13%. GPS pings on campus fell about 30% by year 3, and the authors are careful to call that a conservative flaw rather than a direct measure. Here is the part most people will skip. In the first year after the pouches arrived, disciplinary incidents went up. That works out at roughly a 16% increase in suspension rates. Student well-being fell as well, by about 1/5 of a standard deviation. That is measured. It is in the paper, and any head teacher who opens it will find it. Then it turns. In later years, the well-being effect becomes positive, and the discipline effect fades away. But be careful with test scores. On average, they barely moved at all. American high schools saw a modest gain, mostly in maths, worth about 0.9 of a percentile point. American middle schools saw a small negative, around half that size. High school and middle school are United States phases. They are not key stages, and this study does not tell you what would happen here. So what does a head teacher do with that? Start with the obvious question. Every finding here comes from schools in the United States. Whether it transfers to a British school is fair to ask, and it is not something this study answers. And the research does not tell you how to run the first year. It never tested that. What follows is ours, not the study's. The schools we work with who have the calmest start are the ones who tell parents before the first morning, and who decide in advance what happens when a pouch is forgotten. Read it yourself. It is National Bureau of Economic Research Working Paper 35,132.